are nice and thin. Some black pepper. Does it have a nice amount of black pepper? Let me find the flour. Hold on. So, we got the flour, and they are seasoned up nicely. Roll them around in all the seasoning. Let them get all over. See it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Oh my God, these finna be so good, y'all. Easy. It's gonna be my dinner. Sprinkled with cilantro grown from the garden. Alright guys, I'm gonna start cleaning my closet. Switching it out. So that so let's get started. How y'all doing today? I'm tired, but I'm still going to cook dinner. Oh, still gonna cook dinner. So how y'all doing? Hey y'all. Whew. So, on today's menu, it is fish, right? Broccoli medley, fried fish, broccoli medley, and rice-a-roni. Ooh, ooh. Oh my God! What's going on with my flower? Look, y'all. Oh! Oh my God! What's going on with my baby? God dang it! Take these dead ones off. Oh my God, y'all. Look at my baby. What's going on with you, girl? I put them in the bathtub and soak them real. Look at these. God. My baby. All the dead leaves. They are drying out. Look, y'all can hear it. They get crunchy. So, yeah. I'm just letting them dry out fully before I chop them up and put them. Honey, this fish is gonna be good. It sure is. Some peppers for my broccoli medley. Honey, I likes to season, okay? And I'm gonna saute this onion and these peppers and put them in my medley. Nice amount of onions. Oh, this smells good. Oh my goodness. Cord. All right, y'all. The dinner is ready. I got some rice. Nice and cooked rice with some broccoli medley. Broccoli medley. Yeah, medley. All right, and some fish. All right, y'all. This is his plate. Morning, y'all. It is Saturday morning, and we out here cleaning this garden up, y'all. We got to get all these old leaves and stems out. We done already harvested everything we can harvest. I'm leaving my cantaloupe up. I don't know why. It's on this last leg. It ain't doing too well, but we finna get ready and clean up and try to organize this backyard. We put all the toys and the garden stuff right here. I'm gonna cover it with some heavy duty plastic because of course I don't have a garage or shed. So this is what I'm doing this year. I don't have any room in the house, in the basement, so I'm not trying to take all this yard stuff in the basement and have it cluttered. So I'm leaving it out here. I stacked it up neat. I got some heavy duty plastic that I'm going to cover it with and secure the plastic down with these totes and some other stuff.
I've been waiting all season for you. Haven't seen nothing like you before. Can you help bring me back to you? You're my favorite one. You're the rarest one. How could I go back just for temporary satisfaction? You've always been real. My cherry boy is so sweet. All the best things come naturally. I find our eyes only on the beat. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing commonly found in the stores. Good compared to what I'm enjoying. You're my favorite one. You're the rarest one. Why would I go back just for temporary satisfaction? You're always being real. My cherry boy is so sweet. All the bad things come naturally. We need your eyes right up on me. Oh, 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 oh.
Everything is clean. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I do want to say I am at over 100 subscribers on YouTube. I've really been working hard trying to get past that 100 mark. I mean, you guys know I've been on doing this content creating for just a short time. I've gotten so much better. I just gotta, get my rhythm, and yeah, I think that'll be good. I'm at my 100. My next goal is 5, and then so on and so forth. I want to hit 500. Thank you guys again, and I'm at 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. But all right, y'all. Please hit that like and subscribe, and hit that notification for my next video. It should be coming up soon.